Welcome to the training module. We are going to learn about 5S, a method for more efficient manufacturing environment. The 5S stands for sort, set in order, shine, standardize, and sustain. It is a systematic approach to workplace organization and standardization. This method is designed to improve efficiency by creating a clean and organized work environment. Each step of 5S helps us reduce waste, enhance productivity, and ensure a safer work environment. The importance of 5S. Enhanced efficiency. Imagine how much smoother our day could be with everything in its place. 5S helps us organize our workspace so that tools, materials, and information are always within reach. This means we spend less time searching for what we need and more time getting work done. Improved safety. 5S helps us keep our workspace clean and organized, and we lower the risk of accidents. Unnecessary items and potential hazards are removed, reducing the chance of injury. Walkways and emergency exits stay clear, which enhances overall safety. Better quality. Consistent quality starts with a well-organized environment. 5S helps us maintain equipment in top condition and follow standard procedures, which leads to fewer defects and less waste. This helps to produce better products and improve the company's reputation. Lower costs. 5S helps to reduce waste by avoiding overstocking and unnecessary purchases. This efficient use of resources means we spend less on materials and prevent costly mistakes,